All right, welcome back to Zach's Food Channel. Today we're gonna be making wings in the air fryer with ranch dressing, ranch seasoning. So these are not gonna need any sauce because they're gonna have the ranch seasoning right on the wings themselves. I made garlic bread in the air fryer. It was a successful video. They tasted fabulous. I'm obsessed with the air fryer now, so let's get started. First, we got our wings. We got some, these were previously frozen. They're party wings that you get in the frozen section of your grocery store. I thawed them out completely. Throw those in this bowl. I think I got about 8 wings, some drummies and some flats in there. To that, we're gonna add a heaping tablespoon of ranch seasoning and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That is so that they brown up quicker. It lowers the pH level on the surface of the chicken and makes them brown up quicker. And we'll mix that up really good. Into that, we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch, probably about a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is just going to make it get crispy. Didn't take much. Again, make sure that's all coated on all the wings and all sides. And I forgot, a little bit of salt and pepper. Toss those around, get those nice and coated. And we'll set those aside while we get the air fryer out. All right, first we're gonna spray the bottom of this. And then we're gonna put the wings in. Found that about 8 wings fit nicely in here. Make sure there's plenty of space between them. All right, we're gonna max this thing out, 430 degrees, 14 minutes. Now, if your air fryer doesn't go up to 430 degrees, it's okay. You just crank it up as high as it'll go, and you can adjust the time accordingly. About halfway through, we're gonna flip those. Oh, I forgot to spray the top of these with cooking spray. I got some avocado oil cooking spray. You're supposed to spray the top of them. There we go. All right, it's been about halfway through. We're gonna go ahead and turn these over, flip them. Oh, they're starting to get brown. Let's flip these all over. All right, we'll let those finish up, and then when they're done, I'm gonna get a temperature check on them and see where they're at. They gotta be at least 165. If you can get them up to 175 or 180, it'd be even better. Wings can handle a lot of heat. And again, I forgot to spray these, so we'll do it right now. That should be good. And we'll let them go. All right. They are finished. Look at those. Those look good. Let's get a temperature check on these. Nice and brown. Let's put these on the plate. Nice and dark and crispy. All right, here they are. Ranch air fryer wings. Let's give these a try. This one looks like really crispy, kind of hot. I'm worried about burning myself, but we're gonna try these. Let's see, we'll take a bite right there. They taste fabulous. Ranchy, crispy. You're not gonna get them as crispy as a deep fryer, but that's pretty crispy right there out of an air fryer. And not near as messy. You don't have to deal with the oil. That's fantastic. All right, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thank you for watching this video.